Welcome to my channel. I am Melissa with a new video for you. Cancer 2020 Monthly Horoscopes. Let's take a look at the yearly Cancer horoscope 2020 month-wise. January 2020 will be a month of questions and confusion for the crabs. February 2020 is a period when you need to be careful of what's happening around you. March 2020 is a good time for students to pursue higher education. April 2020 will be an emotional month for the Cancerians. May 2020 is an excellent time to focus your energy on jobs that need your attention. June 2020 will be filled with new opportunities that will work in your favor. July 2020 is your birthday month when you will be happy in all aspects of your life. August 2020 is an auspicious month to start the new project that you have been working on for so many months. September 2020 is when you should be prepared to face all obstacles that come in your path. October 2020 is a favorable month when you will fall into new relationships. November 2020 is a period when you need to think twice before making any major decision. December 2020 is a beneficial period for love and romance.